Google Scholar is a central search for scholarly literature. It covers disciplines and sources, peer-reviewed papers, theses, books, abstracts, and articles from academic publishers, professional societies, repositories, universities, and any scholarly organization. Think of it as the Google search engine, but only focusing on the academic or scholarly literature. Now, before you get started using Google Scholar, you're going to want to connect it to the library's collection. To do that, you're going to click on the three bars here on the upper left and go to Settings. Next, you want to click on Library Links, and you'll type in NYU. Click on the magnifying glass, and you'll want to select the third option, New York University Libraries, get it at NYU, and then click Save. Now, we're going to use the search strategy we created to answer the question, how are children affected by witnessing domestic violence? I'm going to paste that search strategy here. And I retrieved over 6,000 results. Now that I've set up the connection to the NYU libraries, I can click on the Get It at NYU link here, and that will connect to the library's holdings to see what's available. It shows that we do have this article. I'll click on the link, and I can now download the PDF. So that's how that works. One thing of note about Google Scholar is how it's different from other databases we've looked at, such as Social Services Abstracts or PsycInfo. On the left, you are able to refine your results by date, by time, but you aren't able to refine it much further than that. You can't select peer review. You can't find subject terms. And that's because Google Scholar isn't a database in the way that PsycInfo and SocIndex and Social Services Abstract is a database. They don't have that controlled vocabulary that links all of the literature together. And what's more, this is a multidisciplinary collection that you can find within Google Scholar. There's just a wealth of information here that makes it a bit more difficult to get the most out of it. Having said that, the best way to use Google Scholar, in my opinion, is for known searching. This is to say, if you know the name of the article, if you know the name of the author, if you know exactly what you're looking for, Google Scholar can be very effective. So that's how it works.